The Humane AI Pin was hyped to be the next big revolution in wearable technology, promising to replace your smartphone with a single pin-sized device capable of on-the-spot AI assistance. Sounds futuristic, right? Flash to today. The device has been released, and the reality, some are calling it the biggest flop of all time. Promised to be a device that could respond to every inquiry seamlessly, but the reality, lagging response times that'll have you watching your grass grow. Promised to help with everything from booking dinners to translating languages, but the reality, a device that heats up like a summer barbecue. Archie here, folks. Enough with the teasers already. Let's roll up our sleeves and delve into what this Humane AI Pin is really all about. From overheating hardware to the quirks of its AI, we're breaking down each piece of this technological puzzle to see where things went off the rails. Let's start with one of the most glaring issues, the response time. The Humane AI Pin, designed to offer instant access to AI capabilities, disappointingly makes users wait up to 10 seconds for an answer. In a real-time demonstration, you can see the timer ticking as the AI struggles to fetch a simple response.
When is the next Nets game?
Finding next Nets game.
Such delays not only disrupt the flow of interaction, but also question the efficiency of integrating AI into everyday tasks. Next, we tackle the overheating problem. Several tests have reported that the device heats up significantly with continuous use, to the point where it becomes uncomfortable to wear. This issue is not just about user discomfort, but also raises serious concern about the device's safety and longevity. Despite promising advanced AI capabilities, the pin often misinterprets commands or fails to execute them correctly. Archie here again. Now to call it how it is. They simply released this product way too soon. It's just not ready for the end consumer, and that in itself makes the economics of the product so mind-boggling. The Humane AI Pin comes with a hefty price tag of $700, plus a recurring monthly fee of $24. For such an investment, users expect a device that not only functions reliably, but also enhances their daily interactions. However, with the current performance issues and limited utility, it's hard to justify the expense, particularly when smartphones and other gadgets offer more reliable and expansive AI tools at a similar or lower cost. Lastly, the device's open interaction model, where commands need to be spoken and responses are given out loud, poses privacy risks in public settings. This, combined with the need for a constant internet connection to access cloud-based AI, limits the device's practicality in everyday life. Users have expressed concerns about having their personal inquiries and responses broadcast openly, especially in crowded or public areas. Ever had technology promise to make life easier, but ended up just giving you a tech-induced headache? How would you handle a gadget that tests your patience more than your tech savvy? Drop your thoughts in the comments. You might think the Humane AI Pin could at least serve as a conversation starter. Well, it does, but probably not the way you'd want. Given its hefty price tag, the Humane AI Pin should be doing more than just warming up our meetings. Maybe it could at least brew some coffee. What's your take on paying premium for less than premium performance? Is the Humane AI Pin a groundbreaking tool or just a pricey paperweight? Let's hear your opinions below. To say the Humane AI Pin was a disappointment might be an understatement. Promised as a revolutionary device that would change how we interact with technology, it instead highlighted the significant gap between ambition and reality. From technical shortcomings like overheating and slow response times, to fundamental usability issues like impractical design and inadequate battery life, the AI Pin fell short on many fronts. Despite its lofty aims to reduce our screen time and offer a seamless, intuitive AI assistant, the AI Pin serves as a cautionary tale about the challenges of introducing new tech gadgets. Innovation must be matched with execution, and new devices must not only propose a novel idea, but also deliver a superior user experience. Looking ahead, the concept of a wearable AI that genuinely enhances our daily interactions without the intrusions of a screen is still compelling. The future could hold successful iterations of such devices as technology evolves and as designers learn from the shortcomings of first-generation products like the AI Pin. It's a reminder that in technology, as in all things, failure is often just a stepping stone to better, more refined solutions. The journey of integrating AI into our daily wear is far from over, and the lessons learned from the AI Pin will undoubtedly influence future developments in this exciting field. For now, however, the Humane AI Pin remains a symbol of what could have been, a vision not yet realized. And that, folks, is the scoop on the Humane AI Pin that Archie brought for you today. Want to dive deeper into the AI world with us? Then make sure you stay right here at AI Nexus, where we dissect, discuss, and discover the incredible twists and turns in the dynamic world of AI. Oh, and who knows what they'll come up with next. If you've got guesses or insights, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our future explorations. Stay curious and stay connected.